Yeah guys, as you can see my outfit is on the bed already, and I'm about to get ready to go out to the event. I'll show you guys everything. Just keep watching because it's gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm ready. How do you guys like the dress on me? Comment in the comment section below, let me know.
Papi la bla bla, Léo tout chanté, tombé la noté, mais mon guisala, tout dans son la doté, sur la bla bla, voilà que les taxis font ça.
This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and share before you go. Bye.
I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.